We're going to be reading Truck Full of Ducks by Ross Barach. Thanks for calling Truck Full of Ducks. We'll be right there. Look at all those ducks. Munch, munch, munch. Oh no, the directions. Don't worry, ducks. We'll find the customer. One of those ducks eating the directions. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? No, not me. I called for a mail truck. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Duck truck? No, not me, buddy. I called for a dump truck. Oh my goodness. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? No, dude, not us. We called for an ice cream truck. Who called for a truck full of ducks? I wonder who called, but it looks like they all got some ice cream. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Arr, it wasn't me, matey. I called for a truck full of crackers, not quackers. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Sorry, Earthling, I called for a tow truck. 30,000 light years away? Huh? This is gonna cost you. Who called for a truck full of ducks? You're in luck. Last potty for miles. Hurry up, ducks. So I guess they all had to go potty, huh? Back in the truck. The clock is ticking. The driver looks worried. Did you see the mummy? Oh my goodness. Did you call for a truck full of ducks? Hey, Walter. No more ducks. I called for a duck removal truck. Did anyone call for a truck full of ducks? Did you say truck full of ducks? That was me. Uh-oh. Deep, dark woods? I wonder who ordered these ducks. Over here. Oh my goodness. I think those ducks look pretty scared, huh? Dead end, caution, one scary way, no Wi-Fi. That is scary. Okay, ducks. Out of the truck. See, I told you not to worry. Perfect timing for my dinner. Oh no. Is over. Time for my bath. So it looks like Mr. Fox ordered ducks to take a bubble bath with. Those ducks look pretty happy now, huh? Bath time gig stand? You know it, Frank. Look at all those ducks. We got in a bathrobe and a froggy bathrobe. They look pretty happy, huh? Thanks for calling Truck Full of Ducks. We'll be right there. Looks like there's another order. Thanks for reading Duck Full of Trucks with me. I hope you enjoyed it.